This is spring. Like, we fight for everything we get. We fight because our kids deserve that and more. We are all hard. We do not have anything else to work hard, and we're going to make sure that our kids are successful and that they have what every other district has for their children, we're going to have for our children.
To have everybody come out and literally bond together, partner together to make a difference for our kids, because that's what this is all about. This is about doing what's best for our kids and getting them the resources that they need to be successful, right? So I'm just really proud to be part of it. I'm really grateful. I, without a doubt, believe in spring. We believe in spring.
So again, just thank you. We're extremely grateful. 34,000, it was 194 kids are saying thank you to you, to your dedication, to what you've done for our community and our district. And we will not let you down. We're going to make you proud of Spring ISD and what we stand for. So thank you. I believe. Do you believe?
We believe.